There's another explore. Paul and lads have got, due to the nature of the location, there's two on the surface waiting for us, just in case anything happens. And down this one with Paul, as we work together so well. There we go. If this video's a bit wobbly today, my health isn't great, so I'm doing as best as I can, whilst I can. Look up. That's a nice entrance there. Alright, let's get down into the main bunker. Or shelter, actually. It's not a bunker, this one. It's what we believe is a civilian's shelter. We believe these were the toilets, possibly. Not entirely sure. "18 metres, height 2.2. Which would make sense. It's even got sewage. We believe it's about 20 metres below ground. There's some little bit of signage. Find it when I can see it. There's not much actually down here, graffiti. It's brilliant. Yeah, sinks, benches, bunks, could have been anything. That's right by the sink, so it could be seats, I reckon.
I reckon that's tissue.
Yeah.
Door,
That's it. I reckon these are seats.
yeah.
Because it's only one side, there's not much here, this side.
That's it.
Electrical lighting on the roof, look, there's a lot of signage. I've seen a few down here, mate. Yeah. (32-12) here. Oh shit. Alright, let's show you how far below we are. Tap. Typical Paul. (23-12) now. (20). 19, 17, bear with me if I'm flicking lights around. Paul's taking pictures. Sorry guys, Paul can take his pictures. I haven't got you on Facebook, have I? Number 17. This one. Wow, that's a weird plug up. That one's been properly capped up. Power box. There's Paul, I'll not show you because you don't like his face on camera. So I've got you clear, mate, anyway, I won't do it to you because I know you don't like it. And that's it. Nice little explore in Luton.